start. Uh, First of all, I want to thank media person who are coming here. Thank you so much for giving us a previous time. As we gather here together, Dumakari Village Committee, and we have some our issue regarding Pata land. We heard many people that our Pata land from the outsider, they have been here coming here and buying, or some our people also they are selling. So it should not be allowed that, because so many our peoples are still here, they who have been receiving this ration card, but still they have been not given Pata land till today. And also we heard that some outside people, I don't want to mention their name. We heard that some 6 people, they are not from our village or not from our BC. They are outside of our area. So we heard that they are already allowed that they already received their land, but still officially they have been not finalized. So we also want them. We condemn all this, and they should not. It should not be allowed that in our local area or in our village like forest land. It should not be allowed that. And also we heard some officer or authority are along with them. So these things should not be happen, and we totally condemn. It should not be happen, or it should not be given to them. And also we also want our people here or some other people from outside of our village, those people who are selling their Pata land or who are buying, and it should not be allowed, because as we gather here together, we oppose that. If we buy or sell, and according to the forest law, there is not allowed that, or it is, we are not against of them, but we used to think for our future, because we have so many like young generation. If we keep on selling, if we keep on doing all this activity, then our people or our young generation, they will not going to have enough land to do some other work or do anything else. So in this matter, I want to conclude regarding this. Those people who are coming here to buy, they should not buy, and those people who are targeting to sell, they should not sell. And if through this media, we just want to make them to know regarding this, like if they keep on selling or buying, then we as a group, we totally condemn and will not give them to allow to buy or sell. So for this, I want to conclude this matter. Thank you so much. If they get Pata in our area, then we will going to do a big movement. Like as we gather here together, it is not a community; it is a villager who local area. We are living in our local area, and we gather together so that we are going to oppose regarding that.